Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you'll be notified.
Hello everyone, Shobik here from Ani Online, and today in this video I'm going to give my review upon the Pixel Experience ROM. So now without wasting any time, let's begin. So now let's talk about the performance or the stability of the ROM. The stability of the ROM is excellent. There are no issues regarding the stability of the ROM. The ROM is very much stable and can handle many applications at one time, and especially the multitasking is very easy, and also the split screen feature for Android Oreo. It's just excellent. Let me show you guys. So you opened one app and then again another one, and now for multitasking, go here, drag the app there itself, and again I chose this app. For settings, I'm dragging this app here as well as for the Play Store. So in this manner the split screen works. And then moving on to the next, the camera performance. Let me just swipe this. Yeah. The camera performance has improved a lot. By installing this ROM, you get general camera application, which is just for basic photography. So as you can see here, guys, it's just like if you swipe from here, you can get the option of change between still photography and video. Yeah. And if you tap here, you get options. This option for switching on to the front camera, and this is for flash, and this is for the grid lines. And again, if I switch from here, that's camera, and again you here get some basic modes. For suppose this is the grid, this is for the flash, and this is for taking photos from the front camera. And again, if you go from here, if you tap here, yeah, you can set the resolution and quality of this camera and nothing else. The camera app is very basic and simple, and that's one thing which I liked about this ROM is there we don't get any extra bloatware in this ROM, just the basic apps which we need. For suppose the clock, then this camera. We'll talk about this camera a bit later in this video only, and calculator, calendar, and Chrome and the Play Store. That's it, and nothing extra bloatwares. And let me open the settings and show you some stuff. It's the storage itself. So basically, this Oreo system takes near about 7 GB of storage, and the storage is almost free. And one more thing, guys, what I observed is, like, if you go to the Photos app, in this you don't get a dedicated gallery. You will have your photos will get saved by default in Google Photos itself. So if we go here and if we go to settings, and then if yes, here, okay, oh, here, so you can see this thing: photos and videos uploaded from your Pixel before 16/1/2021 get unlimited free storage at original quality. So basically, this Google Photos is recognizing your Redmi 4 as a Pixel device, and you can get unlimited free storage. And one more thing which I also observed is, when you open the YouTube app, in YouTube app, generally in Redmi 4, we used to stream in normal 720p was the maximum limit, But here, after installing this ROM, I was able to stream videos in full HD. Let me show you guys.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you will notify.
So if I go here and in the quality option, see, you get the option of 1080p 60. So if I tap here, again I will go and check, yeah, and again start the video, volume. So yes, so this video has been played in full HD, that's 1080p, which is just awesome. I don't know how this screen is capable of playing like this screen is capable for 720p HD, but then after booting to this Pixel, then it's like playing videos also given option for full HD. So this is one of the one more thing in this ROM is like, if you can switch between the apps also is very good. Like, you get the whole stock experience. Like, how do we get in Pixel the same we get in this Pixel experience ROM. And if we go here, so see, by pressing this button, it's very easy to switch between two apps. And if I go to settings and show you the system and about phone, so yes, so these are the details, and your model is here, it's showing it's Redmi 4X, but then I don't know how in the Google Photos app it's recognizing as the Pixel, I don't know. So yes, this is the Android version 8.1. So this is the Oreo. And for my Indian friends, good news is VoLTE works. VoLTE works. And if you swipe left from here, you get the Google your news feed, which is nothing new. In all stock Androids we have seen this thing and nothing else. And the split screen feature I have shown you. The one cons which I did found it for in this OS is the battery issue. Yes guys, the battery drains a lot. It is like, if you leave your mobile data open, when compared to my MIUI, I'm getting a less battery backup in this what do you call, the Pixel experience ROM. Otherwise all the things are good, all things are working properly. The VoLTE works, which is excellent, and especially in this one I would like to show you, you can open settings. Like in settings, if we go to security and location, smart lock, we can set up in settings we can set up a face recognition, which is excellent. And trust me guys, I tried this operating system. I'm testing this operating system for more than a month or two, and I never faced issues with this OS except the battery. The battery performance is drains the battery a lot. I don't know why, but then the battery gets drained a lot. And here you can see you can set up a trusted face, which is nothing but the face recognition, so that's also cool. So that's it guys. If you found this video informative, do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, also press the subscribe button. So thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one.
Let it go, let my body go. Take our bodies higher.